Cable edge protector guard cushion with affiliate commission around $0.17. USB type electric flight wrap with affiliate commission around $1.27. Electric noodle making machine with affiliate commission around $2.31. Compressible flying ball with affiliate commission around $0.47. Deep fryer bought with basket with affiliate commission around $3.49. Transparent double-sided adhesive washable sticky tape with affiliate commission around $0.196. Dumpling maker molds with affiliate commission around $0.35. Plastic meatball maker with affiliate commission around $0.3. Transparent fridge organizer storage box with affiliate commission around $0.58. Clothing organizer washable drawer divider with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $2.86. Silicone material shoe rain cover with affiliate commission around $0.097. Dumpling maker with affiliate commission around $105. Stainless steel multi-layer thermal insulated lunchbox with affiliate commission around $1.91. Super soft fitted bed sheet with affiliate commission around $2.28. Egg-laying chicken toy for kids with affiliate commission around $0.87. Electric USB welding tool with affiliate commission around $3.97. Electric scooter solid tires with affiliate commission around $2.31. Bathroom head wipe towel cap with affiliate commission around $0.77. $40-watt LED folding bulb with affiliate commission around $0.6. Modern creative waterfall shower with affiliate commission around $24.15. Plastic ramp for car, scooter and truck with affiliate commission around $0.4. 3D flower pattern cake mold with commission $1.69. Mini portable electric air blower cleaner with affiliate commission around $6.25. Crocodile flying soccer gun with affiliate commission around $1.55. Multifunctional pull-out kitchen faucet with affiliate commission $1.3. 360-degree rotating remote controlled car with affiliate commission around $1.77. Flying disc launcher toy with affiliate commission around $0.87. Multifunctional kitchen sink with pull-out faucet with affiliate commission around $6.23.